G'day viewers. Well, just got a couple of samples of my videos on the hard drive there, and sure enough this bordering issue is definitely not my editing. One of my other videos, I've got my last one I uploaded, the Retro Pi one, no, that one went bordered. I'm not sure why though. I couldn't find any reason why I did that, but now they're not bordering again, so there must be some sort of... So this one of my other ones from the other week, it bordered it for some reason. Don't know why. I had to re-unborder it using the edit in YouTube. So most other videos are just like this, they're normal. This is a normal resolution, no border. That's how they look. No bordering. So there's something wrong with YouTube is being an arsehole and discriminative against our fourth or last world country internet speeds here in Australia. So it was fine before, took ages to upload. That's why I never upload in HD, because it just takes too bloody long. Much as I like to, but it just takes too bloody long. I love to upload in 4K, but yeah. I'll be better off just burning my videos to a DVD and just shipping it across the world. It'll be quicker than bloody uploading it. The carrier pigeon's quicker than their bloody internet, our speeds. Anyway, so I'll just stick to the normal 480p, just standard what have I got here? Just a standard MP4, standard AVI, WMV, whichever program or rendering technique I use. It's commonly AVI MP4 they say. 480p is the best way I can do it, to upload it in a, because doing it that way I can upload at least up to 10 videos a day if I wanted to. So it's just our speeds are crap. Anyway, bullshit aside, let's get this painted. I found the paint, so let's get this nice and coated, and it'll look just like the beige case. 8 gigabytes of RAM has helped this a lot. Now once we're to activate it, yeah, I'm going to spend $300 for Windows 10. Bloody Microsoft doesn't pay any bloody taxes in Australia anyway. Well. It runs Windows 10 pretty good, despite having all the spyware disabled. Anyway, so let's get this terracotta painted, beige painted. Well, hopefully the paint's going to... I might just pour this out as a comparison spot check. There we go. The hard drive's nice and cool in there. How cool is that? Anyway, I'll leave this out and I'll just do a spot check on a scrap bit of plastic and see what it's going to look like. That should match this colour. Cat again. Shouldn't you be in your house, cat? Gee, cat logic for you. Whiskers. Also made some good improvements to this shelf yesterday. Got busy and made a good little blocker for the rain. So it's all completely sealed now. Made this little extension. How good's that? Beautiful. That's good now. I can put the meters in there. Have a good little. I've got plenty of space for meters now. So beautiful. Have a good workbench set up. There's dirt up there, got to clean. Anyway, here's a spot check spray. It's a bit lighter than this colour, considerably. Yeah. Well. It'll look better than black. I also like these older computer cases from the 2000s era, the 1990, 10 of them in LE, 1999 era, because it's thicker plastic and steel construction of the old cases. I don't make computer cases like that anymore, unless you spend a bit of money on a decent known brand one. For an everyday consumer computer case, that's good quality stuff, better than what you get now. Nah, bug, I gotta run. Yep, someone's chewing next door. Oh well, if I get it wrong, I can just sand it and go again. We can clean a nozzle last time I used it. Yeah. Satin's the best closest to the beige I've got. Oh well, if I don't like it, I can always go to Bunnings and find a beige colour one and use that to closely match it. It's no big deal. Yeah, it's too thick, see? When I get a rag and we'll start again. It's got to look like that. Frosty. Oh, I think that's actually a glossy paint, I think. Yeah, I think it's a gloss finish, this one. Yeah, I think it's a gloss paint. It's supposed to be like this, matte. The lid usually indicates whether it's matte or gloss. It's gloss. It's supposed to be matte. Oh well. No big loss, I can always correct it later on. But anyway, it's actually lightened up a little bit. Yeah, thick off, but anyway. Looks better than what it did before. Where the original, I had another original one, as I said before, I lost it. Hey Charlotte, come here. Anyway, you always let that dry. That can go back to my rig. There we go, turned out alright. It actually dried a lot better. Yeah, it's close. Even went, there we go, dried actually, it's matte coloured now, it's good. It's just what I wanted. Now I put this on the bottom, it's flimsy, it pops out, I put that up there, and that's going to go on the bottom. Oh, look at that. The colour's a little bit different, but now, how good does it look? How good does that look? There we go. Beautiful. That's better. A little bit off colour, but I think I'll get paint eventually and match it. As I said, the original one, well, that's going on it now. Now there's someone that has one of these cases. I know Junkyard Dog 87 had a couple of these exact cases. Yeah, I'll be interested in getting some of these, that's for sure, some spares. Spare parts of this case in general would be nice, because I like this case. This is when they made proper, heavily engineered metal cases, not that flimsy crap you get nowadays. I'm still going to get a card reader, but not just yet. The original card reader I got from that kiosk, it didn't work. The bloody card, the USB port worked, but the card reader chip inside went brain dead. So that was a waste. I was really hoping that card reader would work in there, because it was a good brand one. But USB 3 cards are pretty cheap anyway. I can put a USB 3 upgrade in this thing for a pretty cheap price. That'll give me a full functionality of that. And I can get a USB 3 card reader for extra speed. This actually worked to be quite a good little machine. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.